Hey, it's Jared here, and along with Pearl drums, we're giving away this beautiful Pearl Decade Maple kit. This is the very same one that Todd Sucherman played in some of the videos you've seen on our YouTube channel this month. In-house, we describe this kit as the mountain kit, because this is the one that went inside the helicopters, up on the mountain in the middle of nowhere, and it sounded gorgeous. So, like I said, it's a Pearl Decade Maple. It's a 7-piece kit. You have an 8-inch tom, 10-inch tom, 12, 14, 16. You have a 5.5 by 14-inch snare, and you have a 22-inch kick. And this is all in solid yellow color, which really stands out and pops. Now, all you need to do to win is simply leave us a comment telling us what you want to learn on the drums in 2019. Then subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on notifications. So leave your comment below and just make sure that you read the full YouTube description on this video to make sure you're eligible to win.